Guys, now we are finally into our SolidWorks, and here we are going to learn the basic interface of our SolidWorks and how to use mouse to ease our doings. So as you can see, these things are quite explainable. This is where you can open any file, and here as you drop down it, you just get a new to create a new file or new product, new assembly, new 3D model. So there are three options right here. First is our part, to create a 3D part, and the second one is assembly, where you can arrange two or more than two 3D parts together to make an assembly, because normally any product does not consist of just one part, it has more than one part. And lastly is the drawing, where you are going to learn how to get a drawing out of those parts or assemblies. So let's get into part. Okay, so now we'll hop into our part section. So now as you can see, there are a few panels. Okay, we are going to work with mainly sketch panel and features panel. Okay, and on the left side, as you can see, this is our origin plane. These are like front plane, top plane, and right plane. Whenever you have to work or like sketch and then create a 3D model of those sketch, you need to start with a plane, and you can choose any one of these, so it's not a compulsion to just choose front or top plane if you want to make a top view. Yeah, and finally the most important thing you have to remember, in the bottom right, as you can see, this is our unit panel, where you can look into which unit you want to make your 3D model into. It is highly important to choose your unit before starting, as you already know why. So I'll show you how to work across it. So if you have to sketch on this panel, what you have to do is you have to right click any one of the plane. First we'll make it normal, so it looks normal to our screen, and then we can click either here on the sketch, or we go to sketch and just click this sketch button right here. And when we click on that, we get into our sketch mode, where we can use these features and various other features. What I wanted to show you is how to use mouse. So I'll just draw a circle. Okay, as you can see, this is a circle, and remember this one thing, that your mouse, this cursor is the center, and you can use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out. So if I put my arrow key right there and then use my scroll wheel, then this will become the center of the zoom in and out. So if I want to do it in the center of this, then I have to do it like this. And you can hold your right click to get some basic shortcuts to directly get a line, a circle, which makes the things very easy. And these are the various things, like you can get a sectional view, or if you want to zoom in and out by here, you can do those things. We'll later on discuss about them in a brief manner. And this is the view we are here. So we are XY plane, YZ plane, and XZ plane of our geometry. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one.